Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to dodge bullets in Call of Duty Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. So I will just randomly select any option here. Just click on start and I will show you how to dodge bullets. So the trick is that you have to constantly move left and right so that your enemy is not able to shoot you properly, and that's how you can dodge bullets. You can also crouch, but what I found most effective is that you can just move left to right and just keep moving and don't stop.
Front line.
That's how you can dodge bullets. I will just show you in offensive mode and I will show you how to dodge bullets. Hopefully I will have this.
Enemy in sight!
Just keep moving like that.
Contact with enemy!
Keep moving and they won't be able to shoot you.
Target in sight! Changing mag!
That's how you can dodge.
Target down.
Just keep moving.